I wanna show you how to create easy typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you need to create the black video. Right click of the mouse, new item, black video. Add your black video to your timeline. Following, select your text tool. And let's design the area where you wanna write your text. Come back to the effects control and click on the source text. The stopwatch icon will appear. Then, select the text and let's write the first letter. Then, move 5 frames ahead, let's write the second letter. Then, again move 5 frames ahead and let's write third letter. Do it till the moment that you wrote all the text that you want. The last step is move your layer with the text 2-3 seconds ahead. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.